Is your car battery draining faster than usual? Are you worried about your car's electrical system? Fear not, car enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the OBDResource 3-in-1 Car Battery Tester, a handy tool that can diagnose your vehicle's battery health in just a few minutes. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Weekly Tools, where we dive into the latest tools and gadgets to make your life easier. Today we're reviewing a must-have device for car owners, the OBDResource Car Battery Tester, 6V, 12V, 24V, 3-in-1. Whether you're a DIY car enthusiast or a professional mechanic, this gadget promises to make battery diagnostics a breeze. Let's find out how it performs. What's in the box? Let's start with what you get in the package. Inside, you'll find the OBDResource Car Battery Tester itself, compact, rugged, and designed for portability. Heavy-duty alligator clamps with a secure grip for reliable testing. A user manual that's straightforward and easy to understand. It's lightweight but feels solid. The design is functional with a comfortable grip and a durable outer casing. Perfect for on-the-go diagnostics, product overview, and applications. So, what makes the OBDResource Tester so versatile? This device is a 3-in-1 tool, compatible with 6V, 12V, and 24V batteries. That means it's not just for cars. It works with motorcycles, trucks, SUVs, and even marine batteries. A single device for all your needs? Yes, please. The bright, easy-to-read LCD display shows all the diagnostic information clearly, even in low-light conditions. No need to squint or guess what's going on with your battery. Versatile, option, durable, user-friendly. Core features. Explained. Now let's talk about its core features. This tester isn't just for basic voltage readings. It goes deeper. 1. Battery health test. This feature evaluates your battery's overall condition, capacity, and health status. Cranking test. Ever wondered if your vehicle's starting system is working as it should? This tester measures the cranking voltage during engine startup, ensuring your battery can handle the load. A lifesaver for colder climates, where weak batteries struggle to perform. 3. Charging system test. The alternator is your battery's lifeline when you're on the road. This feature checks whether your alternator is charging the battery properly or if there's an issue with the electrical system. It's a quick way to detect problems before they become expensive repairs. Alternator diagram overlay with pass status on the tester. How to use the tester. Let's get hands-on. Using the OBDResource Tester is simple and requires no special skills. Here's how. Step 1. Connect the clamps to the battery terminals. Red to positive, black to negative. Step 2. Once connected, the tester automatically detects the battery's voltage range, 6V, 12V, or 24V. Step 3. Select the desired test from the menu. Battery health, cranking, or charging. The tester provides detailed feedback instantly. And if you're not sure what the results mean, the user manual has a handy reference guide to help interpret the data. Real-life testing scenarios. Now, let's see this device in action. Car battery test. Quick and accurate results on health and cranking power. Truck battery test. Handles the higher voltage with ease. Motorcycle battery. Test. Compact yet precise for smaller batteries. It even works on marine batteries, making it perfect for boat owners too. In conclusion, the OBDResource Car Battery Tester 3-in-1 is a reliable, affordable tool that delivers on its promises. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a professional, or just someone who hates surprises on the road, this device is a fantastic addition to your toolkit. If you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching Earn for You.